Hi, this is Kathy, and this is lunch update for Wednesday, September 10th. Alrighty, let's look at the volume profile chart first. For most of the morning, it was pretty balanced, and now it has turned into it's kind of shaped like a B-shaped type profile now, but that could very easily change the longer price stays up in here. We're back into the range of the value area of yesterday. So 1996 is a composite high volume node that's a major magnet, and 1998 area 89 area is an important support test. So we could chop around in here. If not, upside continuation. If we get to the other side of 1996, there's other magnets of similar magnitude at 98.50 and 2025. All right. Harmonically speaking, I know that looks like a train wreck. Hold on. Let me just hone in on what is going on here. All right. There's a double bearish PRZ. There's two things. One, we had a double bullish PRZ test at the 1981.50, and that is in retracement mode. Currently, the larger of those two patterns has retraced 50%. This is considered a shallow retracement, but it may not be finished. Right now, it's pulling back into support to possibly validate a new bullish cross, and that has correlation of testing this significant level 1988.25, which correlates with the volume profile support, right? Okay, so the key thing is, does price hold above or below that 1992.75 area? If it holds below it, that's a shallow retracement of the double bullish pattern, and it implies a retest of that PRZ or the extended PRZ target, which is noted here between 1976 and 1973. If price holds above 1992.75 even after a pullback to validate the new bullish cross, then we have some confluence target at the top up here of this golden ratio zone around the 1998 area. This will become a very important resistance test, and wasn't that part of the peak in 2000? So it could breach the top of this golden ratio zone to test 2001.50 here. That's going to correlate with the 2000 on the other volume profile chart. So I lost my train of thought. So that will be the next important resistance test as long as price holds above 92.75, regardless of how it gets there, whether it be now or after a pullback. All right. In Q, there's a very much larger pattern that has a lot more downside needed to complete its pattern. So I'm looking at, and I wanted to use this high up here at 41.10, but I couldn't because according to my harmonic rules, it needed to go a little bit higher on this bounce. I'll be able to use it now, but it's going to need to at least pull back to 40.7850 before I'm even going to do that now. Right now, it is testing a small and what I had in comparison, small bearish butterfly, and it's just pulling back into a bullish cross scenario until proven otherwise, meaning it would need to break down this golden ratio zone in my view below 78.50. If it goes below there, it's in retracement mode. Ideal retracement is always 100%. Every harmonic pattern just dreams of retracing 100%, but we got to get through the golden ratio zone first. And all that is the Fibonacci ratios between 38.2 and 61.8. Okay, and CL. All right, double bullish PRZ 91.22. It's pretty much the extreme for that blue pattern, and it's just a nice confluence with the brown pattern. So what it's doing is it's bouncing up to a previous area of interest coming down, and now it's an interest going up, 91.80. It's also validating a bearish cross, and ideal minimum retracement for this smaller pattern is 92.14. If it can't even retrace that smaller pattern, 38.2%, that's really a sign of weakness, and it implies a retest of the 91.22 or extended target of 90.73 to 90.48. All right, that's it. Have a great rest of the day.